Did you know that a single jar of coconut oil could completely change your health? From boosting brain function to giving your skin a radiant glow, this little powerhouse is more than just a cooking ingredient. Curious to learn how you can start using it today to unlock its incredible benefits? Stick around, because we're diving into the surprising ways coconut oil can improve your health. Ancient history of coconut oil. But here's something you may not know: coconut oil has been used for centuries, long before it became a modern health trend. In fact, ancient civilizations in Southeast Asia and the Pacific Islands relied on coconuts not just for food, but for medicine, skincare, and even spiritual rituals. Back then, coconut oil was known as the tree of life, used to heal wounds, soothe skin, and nourish the body from the inside out. So why did they hold it in such high regard? What secrets did these ancient cultures know about coconut oil that we're only now rediscovering? Trust me, you'll want to stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll see why coconut oil might just be the missing piece to a healthier you, and we'll even give you a DIY recipe that's going to work wonders for your hair. Welcome back to Be Your Health. What's inside coconut oil? Now let's talk about what makes coconut oil so powerful. Coconut oil is packed with essential nutrients like vitamins E and K, healthy fats, and most importantly, lauric acid. Lauric acid makes up about 50% of coconut oil's fat content, and here's why that's important. Lauric acid is a medium-chain fatty acid, known for its antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. This means that when you consume or apply coconut oil, you're giving your body an immune boost that fights off harmful pathogens. Before we continue, remember that this video is for educational purposes only, and is no substitute for professional health advice. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful health content. Number 1. Supports heart health. Despite being high in saturated fat, coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, particularly lauric acid, which helps raise your good cholesterol, also known as HDL. Lauric acid not only helps reduce the risk of heart disease but also maintains healthy blood pressure. By including coconut oil in your daily routine, you can potentially lower your risk of cardiovascular issues, all while adding delicious flavor to your meals. Number 2. Aids in weight loss. Looking to shed a few pounds? Coconut oil's MCTs not only boost your metabolism but also help curb your appetite. Lauric acid plays a role here by promoting fat burning, especially belly fat. The fats in coconut oil are quickly absorbed and converted into energy, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. And when your metabolism gets a boost, weight loss becomes a lot easier. Testimonial number 1. Sarah, I used to have constant cravings and just couldn't shake off that extra weight. But ever since I started adding a tablespoon of coconut oil to my morning smoothie, I've noticed a huge difference. I feel full for hours, and my energy levels have skyrocketed. I'm even down 10 pounds. Number 3. Boosts brain function. Did you know coconut oil can fuel your brain? The MCTs, especially lauric acid, are quickly converted into ketones, an alternative energy source for your brain. This helps with mental clarity and focus. Some studies suggest that it could even help people with Alzheimer's improve cognitive function, as ketones may serve as an alternative fuel source for the brain, where glucose absorption is impaired. Number 4. Improves skin health. Coconut oil is like a miracle worker for your skin. Packed with vitamin E and lauric acid, it deeply moisturizes your skin while fighting off bacteria. It's especially great for conditions like eczema, acne, and dry skin. It's no wonder coconut oil is a staple in so many skincare routines. Stay with us to learn how it works wonders for your hair as well, and we've got a recipe coming up that will give you salon-worthy results at home. Number 5. Strengthens hair. Be role of someone applying coconut oil to their hair and revealing shiny, healthy hair. Coconut oil penetrates deep into hair strands, strengthening them from within. The lauric acid binds with the hair proteins, reducing breakage and adding shine. And speaking of shiny, luscious hair, here's a quick, easy recipe you can try at home. Step-by-step recipe: DIY coconut oil hair mask. Here's a simple coconut oil hair mask that will leave your hair feeling soft and looking shiny. You'll need just 2 ingredients: coconut oil and honey. Step 1. Melt 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a small bowl. Step 2. Mix in 1 tablespoon of honey until well combined. Step 3. Apply the mixture to your hair, starting from the roots to the tips, and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Step 4. Rinse it out with warm water and shampoo as usual. Do this once a week, and you'll see the difference. Trust me, your hair will thank you. Number 6. Reduces inflammation. Massaging coconut oil onto sore joints thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties, largely due to the lauric acid and vitamin E content. Coconut oil can help soothe sore muscles and reduce pain, especially for those dealing with arthritis. Testimonial number 2. John sitting at a desk, stretching his arms and legs. John, I've had arthritis for years, and I was always looking for something natural to help with the pain. After doing some research, I started using coconut oil both topically and in my cooking. It's been incredible. My joints feel so much better, and I've reduced my reliance on over-the-counter pain meds. Number 7. Boosts immunity. Cooking with coconut oil. Lauric acid in coconut oil is known for its antimicrobial properties. It helps boost your immune system by fighting off bacteria, viruses, and fungi, helping your body stay strong and healthy. Number 8. Supports oral health by doing oil pulling with coconut oil. Oil pulling is an ancient practice that's making a comeback. Swishing coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes can reduce harmful bacteria, improve gum health, and even whiten your teeth naturally. Number 9. Helps with digestion. Coconut oil can aid digestion by improving gut health. Lauric acid's antimicrobial properties help balance gut bacteria, promoting a healthy digestive system. Number 10. Provides a quick energy boost. Feeling low on energy? Coconut oil is a great source of quick, sustained energy, especially for those on a low-carb or keto diet. Its MCTs, particularly lauric acid, help your body burn fat efficiently, making it the perfect pre-workout boost. Number 11. Enhances oral health with oil pulling. Have you heard of oil pulling? It's an ancient Ayurvedic practice, and coconut oil is perfect for it. Swishing a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for 10 to 15 minutes can help reduce harmful bacteria, plaque, and even improve gum health. Though more studies are needed to determine how effective oil pulling is, many people find it a great addition to their daily routine. It's not a replacement for brushing and flossing, but a natural way to give your oral health an extra boost. If you're looking for a simple, natural way to improve your dental hygiene, give oil pulling a try. It could be the perfect complement to your regular brushing and flossing routine. Host, on screen, holding a jar of coconut oil, and there you have it, 10 surprising benefits of coconut oil. From heart health to glowing skin, this ancient remedy is still as powerful today as it was centuries ago. If you've noticed benefits from using coconut oil, share your story in the comments below. We'd love to hear how it's changed your life. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more health tips. Thanks for watching Be Your Health, and I'll see you in the next video. End with upbeat music and channel logo.